How good's this? How good is this? You got to do this. For now, I'm just going to go for a wander up to Som Tum Jay So. Hopefully beat the big lunchtime rush and have a lovely feed at Som Tum Jay So. Som Tum Jay So. I was keen to beat the crowd, so I'm actually the first one in. Not that I'm anxious or anything. Now that's how you cook. Thank you. Wow, I was keen to come to Som Tum Jay So. I wanted to beat the lunchtime crowd. I'm actually the first person in here. A little bit anxious maybe. This is great, just watching them set up. I'm trying to keep out of their road, trying to get some video and take some photos, being very mindful to just keep out of their road while they're setting up. This is going to be fantastic. Looking forward to it. I've just put an order in. The grilled chicken wing, some grilled pork neck, sticky rice. I've got a Coke. I'm all set. So food's arrived. Got the sticky rice, magnificent looking grilled chicken wing, and the grilled pork, the grilled chicken wing. Oh. Really get the smokiness. That's absolutely magnificent. I can see why there's a fuss. Oh, sauce is pretty spicy. Lovely oh wow, that's hot. Beautiful flavours. Very spicy though. I'm not real good with the spices. But the smokiness of that chicken wing, wow. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. I'll try it with the sauce. Sticky rice, chicken. Oh, I love sticky rice. I was saying years ago, you break it off, you flatten it almost into a spoon, and then you can just scoop the food, dip it in the sauce, and away you go. The grilled pork, I'm just going to go fingers, guys. I'm just going to enjoy it. Like I said, flattened out the sticky rice, you'll be able to mould it into a flat disc, bit of the grilled pork on top, sticky rice, even wrap it around. Oh, absolutely magnificent. This is a great stop in Bangkok. Som Tum Jay So, absolutely fantastic. I see what the hype's about. Bit of sauce on the grilled pork, bit more sticky rice, wrap it around, easy. Cooking lessons with Dan, or how to eat lessons with Dan. Wow. Alright, Mac, the smokiness of that grilled chicken wing. Oh, absolutely magnificent. So you've got to have one of those. Absolutely a roy. I can see what all the hype's about with Som Tum Jay So. So if you're in Bangkok, make the effort to get here. It's about a 5-minute walk from Chong Nonsi BTS station. I'm not real good with the real spicy food, the real hot spicy food. Some of the absolute delicacies that would be available here were probably no good for me. Would have been a bit wasted. But the grilled pork neck, sticky rice and the dipping sauce, yeah, absolutely fantastic. So to get to Som Tum Jay So, it couldn't be easier. You come to Chong Nonsi BTS station, straight opposite Mahanakhon is a road coming up. Follow that road down until you arrive at Som Tum Jay So. Very easy.
Sorry.
Wow, and that is how you do Som Tum Jay So. That was fantastic. Well worth the effort, and like I said, so easy to get to. On again, I'll show you just how easy it is to get to Som Tum Jay So. I'm at Chong Nonsi station. I'm on the opposite side to Mahanakhon. So come over to the other side. You'll have that view, the 7-Eleven, that road there. Just follow that straight down. Follow that down a couple of blocks, 2.5 blocks. Som Tum Jay So, very easy to get to. So now no excuse to miss out on it.